Today, I'll be showing you how to schedule the sending of a report. To begin, navigate to the report that you'd like to schedule the sending of. Make sure this report is saved, and from here, you'll click on the Save Report option. You'll then navigate to the Schedule tab, and click Enabled Scheduled Report. From here, there are several options that you can choose from. The start time is when the report will send, so let's change that to 12 p.m. rather than 2 a.m. The recurrence option changes how often it sends, so you can select daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can select how often this occurs. So for this is every 1 week, but if we change it to monthly, it'll be the 29th day of every month. So let's change it back to weekly. The start date selects when it will start, and the end before option selects the date that the scheduled report should stop sending on. The delivery type determines how it will deliver to those you're sending it to. So for this, you can select online, email, or online and email. And the report output format determines how the report will be outputted. So link reminder will give them a link to the report, but you can also send it as a formatted or unformatted Excel file, as well as a CSV file. For more information on reports and scheduling, you can refer to our existing videos and documentation on the subject.